Hi, I just got my Birchbox in the mail. Yesterday I recorded a video, but that was my grandmother's, and I was very disappointed with my grandmother. Something was missing. But my Birchbox seems very, as if there's something in there, and I haven't opened it yet. So, as you guys can see, here's the sharpener. And I'm going to open it on camera for you guys. And I have to open the sides. And it has a label of custom and like some heavyweight stuff that's apparently. So, anyways, here's the box that it came with, Birchbox, whatever, Birchbox, yeah. And here's the Birchbox. And here's the card. Yeah. Wow. Oh my god, I actually got this bubble bar. Oh my god, I was so hoping for it. Oh my god. I'm so excited. My bubble bar is the, what do you call it, Champion Shimmer Allure. Yeah, it's on the card. Yep. And 2 paper coasters. Yep. And here's the perfume sample with the card. Wow. So I should have probably 2 things in here. Let's see. Well, here's the card that comes with. That has what's called beauty trend or whatever, blah blah. Yeah. And my other key tied up. And I'm opening it. And yeah, it actually came with classic Italian treatment. It has mineral rich mild rosemary shine, sweet almond oils to smooth skin and face. And wow, Zoya, $70. Wow, that is so exciting. I actually got good stuff, and it's very heavy. I got more stuff than my grandmother's box. I'm not disappointed with my box. I'm so happy. I love you. Please subscribe to my channel.